Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our really pretty 1971 Mgb Roadster. It's finished in tartan red, black trim, black top boot. I believe it's got a black tonneau cover. It is a wire-wheeled 4-speed car. Excellent restoration, full cosmetics, super good, high quality paint work. I'll take a real slow walk around here. You can just see the beautiful finish on this car. So really good body and paint, top notch. Beautiful chrome work all the way around. Newer tires on this original wire-wheeled car. Very good, very high quality paint work. Rarely you see this on MGBs. Newer windshield. Now, when they painted the car, they also did a full new interior. So let me show you that. Excellent door panels, arm bars, perfect dashboard. It may even be a brand new dashboard fitted, but there's no splits or cracks. Nice wood alloy steering wheel. Visors are all new. OEM style seat kits, completely restored. Carpets, floor mats, original style seat belts, BMC. Speedo reads 42,019 miles. Excellent black soft top boot. Let's take a look in the trunk here. Upgraded carpeted trunk kit. There is a nice thick folder here with all the receipts and pictures of the restoration. There's an MGB manual. There's the original jack and the old steering wheel. There's a chrome nerve bar that was taken off the front of the car. But yeah, really nicely upholstered trunk with even the wheel cover, the optional carpeted wheel cover. Really lovely thing. This is one of our top-notch MGBs right now in inventory. Let me show you the engine compartment. So when they restored the car, they completely removed all the engine ancillaries, and you can see here, rebuilt engine with upgrades, upgraded Weber carburetor, but all this was painted beautiful body color, so everything matches correctly and original, like the factory did it. Brakes have been completely rebuilt, upgraded. Under pad hood set, which is correct. You've got all the correct oil cooler assembly. But yeah, really lovely, crisp, detailed engine compartment on this fully restored car. Just took it for a test drive. Really good performer out on the road with no issues at all. Really good handling, suspension, brake, steering, gearbox, engine. You know, everything goes down the road beautifully with no issues whatsoever. You can take a look at the still photos of the condition of the soft top. I believe it's brand new as well. But really lovely car. Only a slight flaw here, just a little kind of bump from a broomstick on the trunk lid there. You can barely see it, but something we can probably get taken out easily with a paintless dent remover guy. But there it is, beautiful car, 1971 Mgb Roadster, finished in this beautiful tartan red, black interior, black top tonneau, carpeted upgraded black trunk kit, 4-speed wire wheels, Weber carb, sports Monza exhaust system, and it's for sale right now on our website. You can see me test driving it, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.